What is eternal energy? How to imagine that an object has the eternal energy? From the classical physics, we know that everything has its own kinetic energy and potential energy. You may see the kinetic energy directly from a fast-moving car, for example. You will not see the kinetic energy in a bottle of water. But at the molecular level, water molecules are continuously moving. Each molecule has its own kinetic energy. Water in the bottle also has potential energy. Besides, the potential energy depends on its position. From the viewpoint of classical physics, water may release its energy when react with sodium, the active metal, for example. If we could handle the nuclei of the atoms of water, then we'll get the nuclear power. All these energies of water is named eternal energy, denoted with U. Now we can generalize the idea of the eternal energy to anything. And we know that everything has certain eternal energy, but it's hard to calculate the eternal energy. For example, water in bottle. How to evaluate the nuclear energy in it? How could we calculate the kinetic energy of all the water molecules? Clearly, we don't have the methods to do it, or it's too complicated. However, we do have methods to measure how much energy the heat when water reacts with active sodium. The heat released is the difference between the eternal energy before reaction and the eternal energy after reaction. The eternal energy changes in the form of heat releasing due to the chemical reaction. What we can measure is heat, the eternal energy change, delta U. Delta U is convenient to be measured. Therefore, in chemistry, we just care about the eternal energy change in the reactions. The energies do not change or cannot be extracted in the reaction are neglected reasonably. Now let me summarize what we have talked about the eternal energy. First, eternal energy includes kinetic energy and potential energy. Second, eternal energy changes. Delta U is measurable in a reaction. And the third, delta U is the energy that can be extracted chemically.